Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I want to show you how to take NinjaTrader and do playback. So if you're going to have like some back testing and so forth, or you're wanting to practice trading or anything like that, this is how you would do it. So the first thing you want to do is go up and you want to connect to your live account. And once you get your live account and it gets green right there, then we're going to go up to Tools, and we're going to come down to Historical Data. And then down at the bottom, we're going to click on Load. And then Get More Market Replay Data. Get Market Replay Data, that is. Click on that little arrow. And then click the instrument that you want. And I'm going to do ES. So you want to pick the day that you want to do it. So like today's date is the 25th. You would want to do this at the end of the day so you could have the full amount. And you need to do it... sometimes it won't let you do it in the after hours, so make sure that you're doing it, like when market's open or something like that's better. But if you go to the 24th, you can click that and you click download. And I've already done this once, but you do this, and sometimes it takes a few minutes for it to download. There it is. And then what we want to do is you go ahead and just pick all the dates that you want to do. Okay. So once you get that done, then you can X out of this, and then you want to come up here to connections, and you want to disconnect your account. Then you got to go back in and connect to playback connection. And when you do that, this little box is going to pop up. So this little box is going to let you have all the information that you've downloaded. So I've downloaded the 18th, so I'm just going to use that for an example since it's already there. Here's the time. You can actually move this around, and you can see the time moved up there, and it will change your charts up until that time. So when you're there, you'll want to put in your playback settings or not your playback settings, but you'll want to set your strategy up on this. So which you just go down to strategies, come up here, pick the one you want, and install it. So if you double click that one, it will bring it down, and then you click OK. So now I've got two on this one, so I'm going to remove one. I only need the one. And then once you set that up, you want to enable it. Okay, so you've got this up, and you want to make sure that you set your chart at the time frames that you want. So I'm just going to use a 1 Unirenko just for it's already up. So you're going to hit play, and when you hit play, this will start moving according to that. So let me get a little bit closer so you can see. And put the crosshairs there. It's late at night. It's like, what is it? 5:34 in the morning, so it's a little bit slow. I'll put this on a 5. That's a 5 tick. It's got to load. Okay, there we are. So 5 tick, you can see that it's actually moving right now. Now, of course, you wouldn't be trading the 5 tick. But if we go ahead and change it back to, let's say we do a 377 tick. And if we do that, it's going to show your bot and everything up here. You've got all your choices. It's just like a live account. There's nothing about it that is fake other than it's past. So you can actually sit here and trade all you wanted. Let's say you had the bot turned off. If you had it turned off, you could do a market sell. So you sold market, and then you come over here and you can close it. So you can actually practice with this. So we're going to turn the bot on just so you can see it. Now, this one does not have the other time frames on it. So they're going to have good and bad trades on it. So we've got this going on the pause. And now this one is your speed. So you can go as fast as you want, and the max speed is right there, and then it just starts taking trades. Now, one thing about this is I just paused it. You can pause it and start it whenever you want. That way you can actually look at a trade. But your account, you come over here and it shows how much money you're making. Every time you adjust this time, it will reset this automatically. It gives you $100,000 buying power to let you go through. So we're going to go ahead and go again. So right there, I don't know why it did that. I guess it's just the way it's running. I don't know why it did it. So let's run it some more. There we go. So, and honestly, I don't know why it did what it did, but it's actually doubled here, but that's just on the playbacks. If we turn this bot off, but you can see it's up almost $1,500 doing what it was doing. You can see these red trades. That is where the stop says 3608. And it stopped out 4 points ago, so that's our trail stop is the 4 points. So whenever it took the trade, it actually went too far on it. Now, again, I don't know why it did this right here. Let's go back here. You can see the green lines are the good trades. So when you're back testing, you can see the green and the red trades. And then you can adjust your settings to try to get it from taking those particular trades. And that's the settings in the back. That's why I have them open for the user to be able to change them according to what they want. We have a settings channel in the Discord to where you can post your settings and everybody share, what's going on. And let's see. Then once you're done with it, the only thing you got to do is just come back up here to your connections and then disconnect it. And you've got live orders here. It's just letting you know, and we're going to cancel that out. And then you can come back in to your actual account. And then once you sign back in, then you can download more days or whatever you want to do. So I hope it helps you and gets you to where you need to be as far as to do the playback settings. You need to try to do those during the daytime. And if you do them like when the market's open, that way you can definitely get it. There's sometimes I've tried to do it and it would not allow me to do it. And I don't know if it's like market close or what it is. I've done them on a Saturday. I think it's like at nighttime they shut the servers down when there's nothing going on. And then during the day they open them back up. I think it's what they do. But on a Saturday or Sunday, you can download the data. You're better off just to try to go in there and download, ahead of time. Sometimes it takes a little longer to download them, so and once you download it, that data will stay there. You won't have to keep on doing it every day. So hopefully it helps. Have any questions? Let us know.